YouTube. I don't know why the hell happened with that streaming computer, but it's online again. Anyway, okay, so now, mm, okay, so uh-huh. This is interactive. Interactive log. That's it. Hmm. Okay. I'm sure there is a better way to do that. It's been like a while, but we will work on that later. Yeah, so you don't have to drag and drop. I could access to that component by going into the parent, and then trying to get the component from there. Actually, I think I can do that. Just like transform the parent dot game object dot text component. Let's try this. Log input controller. This. How about this? Let's do this, and I'm going to comment this. We're going to stop this. We're going to start it again. Okay, so now it's working like different showing this error. I am supposed to take this. Okay, so now it's doing what I want. One S, one S, one S, and one S. Okay, so now what I want to do, block input color directive. Oh yeah, this is it. And then is directive. What's the method we are? To put to put it's private, private. Then make public. Then that way we should be adding the oh, I forgot. I'm fine. I see the chat. If you guys want to write something, I can read you. I see you there on Twitch. I see you on YouTube. Okay, so let's continue on this. Add input value. Okay, so this piece of code will add to the lock um, the input value. We want, for example, for Red. Right now, I'm just going to add them like um private, but it should be um be serialized, not public. I don't public, private. Not, yeah, I don't like to set up public variables just for the sake of Unity detecting the the value on the editor because it's a bad practice. Like that's why you have the serialized field. Like if there's a value and there is no reason for that value to be public, and what we mean with that is like another object is going to access to that property, and it should be private. Why do you want it public? Okay, so we do this thing and let's wait for the refresh of the editor. Um, what is happening here? Like one of these faces of these objects, these slots, is meant to be with the holy moly and aspect. Why 1920 and 1080p. So each one of these faces to be to be associated with one of the like these colors. I just have to figure out which ones is on each one. Red, green, blue, and actually I'm going to try to be consistent and try to assign them red, green, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this order. In this case will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So we start from 0. So okay, so when this face facing this side, the rotation is to 70. That means that's a 3 value, and this is the yellow. Okay, let me, because this can be, this is not like a perfect solution or final solution. We are still like prototyping, so and we don't have like a like any base code or any stuff like that. Hey Taishin, how are you, man? How are you doing? What's going on, man? I understand, man. I've been just doing a lot of stuff. I have a lot of homework and traveling to California this Thursday for BlizzCon. But it's good, man. I'm glad to see you back. I hope you're having fun. Did you got the helmet from? Nice. It's today is the last day, right? I might try to log in later. I haven't logged in like 2 weeks to Star Wars. Oh, holy moly, that's a lot of money. Well, not like a lot of money, but I think I paid that for what? I don't remember what I paid for. Okay, let's see. So if we have this, um, oh wait, no. So this is so uh, 0 is for yellow. We rotate this and 90 degrees. It would be, which one is the one that we have? Green. Oh, 90 is the green. Um, my mic is quiet. Give me a second. Like the volume is lower, or you sometimes you don't hear me. Maybe this is better. Maybe this. Oh wait, it should be better. Uh, Actually, how about this? This is good. Like I'm underwater. Let me see. I have to see this on my cell phone. It was okay. Like but it's not that terrible. I was adding some settings to the sound of the microphone, and I will eventually buy a better microphone, but not yet. Some point, I just got like I got like a capture card to do some streaming. So look, now I can do this. Let me see if this will work. Yes. Now I can come here and play Mario Bros. Hi. Now I am underwater. So just to have more stuff for the streaming. I was having fun with that yesterday, something like that. Okay, so 90. How about 180? 980 is the red. 180 is red. And I need to add like I don't know if I can add directly here. What is color? Let me try this. Oh, but this is to has no transparency, and I don't like this for the chat. So maybe later. Okay, so then the 270 is going to be yellow. green and blue. So that means that is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now that we have this, if I want to fix this that I read, I want to switch red, green, and blue. So I hope I don't break the prefab. Let's try it. Let's try to do this. And actually I'm not going to touch this. I'm going to bring the prefab. I'm going to bring this one copy here, and I am going to hide this for a little while. I'm going to hide the this. Okay, so now when we have this, I want them 0 degrees be red. That is right now yellow. So yellow, we are going to, yellow will be the last one, so it has to be on blue. And if I remember, blue is this one. No, this is red, right? Right, yeah, so this is 0, this is yellow. No, so yellow, yellow, green, red, blue, and blue. The first thing, I need to switch red. This one. We don't want rotation. No, yeah, we want that rotation. And rotation equal to be 180 degrees. It's facing this way. No, it's 20. The position is minus 6.5, no? Or it was 5? I think I read 50. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, wait. Okay, minus 50. Okay, so that's the red. The yellow now, it has to be on the top. So I want this to be rotate only 90, no, 180, no, 270. Actually 0 degrees. We want it in 0, 0, 0, on Y we want it on 50. Okay, so now it's red, red, green, and we just need to send the blue. We're going to rotate it over X 90 degrees. We're going to X, Y, 0, and no, minus 50, 50. Okay. So now it's red, red, in red. No, 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 no. Red, green on the bottom, blue, and yellow. Perfect. So with that, we just apply the prefab and that should have fixed everything for all the other components. I am going to delete this. No, now we have a problem here. Wait. This is the one fixed, right? Red, green, red, green, blue, and yellow. This is the right order. Red, and none of these. Oh, okay, because it's okay to start this one. Put some rotation in here. Rotation. No. Component cell. Rotation. Oh. How about this one? Okay. How is this one working right now? Symbol red, the yellow. This one, the parent doesn't have any rotation. Omega Ruby on 3DS emulator, and you started the Elite Four. Nice. I actually, you know what? I think that one of the best Pokemon games is the 3DS version of the remake of the Alpha Ruby and Omega Sapphire. That has been my favorite Pokemon game in many years. And I played the last one, and I was really not happy about it. I feel like it's just I didn't like it. And now they are coming with another part of that game. Yeah, Omega Ruby is so good, so good. So let's see. It's blue, red, red. So this didn't fix the prefab. And what happened now if I bring another instance of this prefab? Let's see. Well, it's working like this, but it didn't fix the previous instance of this prefab. Maybe if I what's reverb? Never use that. I don't know if maybe if I reload the scene, I'm going to load only my main scene. Save. Black and Black 2. I haven't played those. I have them, but I haven't played. I haven't played them. Mm, yeah, but last year I was playing a lot of Pokemon, and I was like the one that made me happier was that one, the the Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. The X and Y were okay. They were not bad, But I think the last ones, the I don't remember even what the name. Sun and Moon. Sun and Sun and Moon are not like really great for me. Okay, so this didn't fix the prefab. So what I'm going to be forced to do is check this, and I'm going to replace those. Let's have this script mesh render. Actually, I'm going to turn off this. I'm going to turn off this. I don't want to cast shadows. I don't want it to receive shadows. Camera per. I still don't know what's that, so I'm going to leave it like that right now. Okay. So what's the do I have something else? Did I made any changes to this prefabs? It doesn't look like. So I am going to put this on the original position. Apply. And I'm going sadly to delete these ones. And then I have to. I'm just going to add this one. Oh, I think what happened is I didn't create instance of the prefabs. I think the problem is I duplicate them. I'm sure there should be something about that. So the prefabs, door system, plot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This should happen here. Okay, so this should be slot 4. Slot 3. Slot 2. Ooh. Two. I'm bad with Pokemon teams. I didn't show me the link, but I honestly I'm not good with teams. I was the same, like just trying to get like teams from everywhere. Um, and actually, I remember the best thing. I didn't even have a team. I had like an overpowered Pokemon that is what like a Mega Kangaskhan on when I was playing X. And it's so funny because it was just string everything and all the other Pokemons were just like ornaments. Mega Kangaskhan with the Mega evolutions of Pokemon X and Pokemon Y. Okay, so where do we have another listener? I mean it doesn't affect us really much, but okay, directional light, plane door, slot machine. I am going to wait. What the hell is this? Oh, this is a 4. Wait. Oh yeah. Um. Okay, this is kind of crazy. One. Okay. Somehow it got moved there. Okay. So now I'm going to move this to x1, 2, and 3. I'm going just to delete this component because something will happen. Dot 4, and then this should be on x3. Okay. Now we just have to set up this component in here, this component in here, this component in here, and this component in here. Okay, let's see that this is still working. It should. I'm just going to change how fast it's changed. I'm going to put every second for the sake of testing. That is working. Back to 10 seconds. Blaziken, Gyarados, Shiftry, Groudon, and Latios. Too many dragons, no? 2 dragons. I think I remember even there's like a chart. Gyarados I think is great because I think it's ice and dragon, and I think it doesn't have like a lot of. No, Gyarados is a dragon, and Latios I think is a dragon too. No, is dragon flying? Or I am wrong. I can be wrong. Yeah, because I think Gyarados and Latios are both dragons. Because I think definitely Gyarados is not water. Is water dark? I don't remember that. I thought it was a dragon. Right. Oh, and actually, that's the Mega Gyarados. His basic form is water flying. Oh. Oh man. An electric Pokemon or a grass Pokemon and kapoom. Oh. Okay, so now that we have this back again working, let's, and now we fix this prefab where one is red. I'm just going to double check. One should be red. Green, red, green, blue, and yellow. Aha. So the values should be that. And then when they click the, I think the balls are on the same order: red, green, blue, yellow. Yeah, red, green, blue, yellow. So now when they, for example, when they do this, input value should be, no, this should be 0. This should be 1. No, 1. This should be 2. And this should be 3. So, for example, when and I think let me see. I should add something to the code. Where shooting controller indoor rotation. Door lock input controller. Okay, so this add input. So I want to book.log, and I want to input the target input. I don't know if this will let me see what I want, but let's see. Okay, so right now, okay, let's see. Here I'm targeting one. Okay, wait, why is this going on? Where is my controller? Play. I don't see anything. What's going on? Well, I don't see anything on this camera. Oh, I see everything there. It's the same thing, yeah. So I'm going. This is kind of crazy. Wait, something crazy is going on. I think it's because this camera. I'm going to deactivate it and see if this fixes everything. Yeah. So if I click this and I see, so it's printing the object. No. Oh, because I'm clicking on the editor. Wait, this should be better. Still not success. So oh, okay, wait. Is the iterative? And then it calls the when it starts instance it is the log that is from a parent and is this block input controller, and then we call block controller at input. See, so oh wait, random rotation shooting controller. Okay, what is going on? Okay, ready? Well, I think it's because of distance, maybe. Yeah. Let me see if that's it. Oh, okay. So yeah, it was because of distance. Let me put this in because otherwise. Okay, so it is printing the array, but it's not printing what I want it to print. So let's delete this input, this output on the log, and then let's go back to um so at input value here. So here I'm going to change. Let's see here. We're going to iterate over the list. Remove the flow. And then I want target input, and I want to see the input index. Okay, might show what we need here. And then let's see. We come here. Wait, why are we not moving? Um, oh, okay. So on the beginning is 0 0 0 0. Then it's 1 1 1 1. Oh. Okay, so this logic is wrong because it's setting the value to all the input as long as they are different that -1. So let me think how we can fix this. Two members done, yeah. Do you know what thing that I kind of like? It was the Pokemon Bank. That now you can transfer your Pokemons and store them in the bank. It's kind of cool. I wish that we had like that 20 years ago. I still remember when I was suffering because I didn't know anyone who played that game, and you need to have like a cable, a special cable to connect to two different Game Boys. Oh my god, that was such a painful experience. Give me a second, I'll be right back. 1 second. Okay, so I am back. Let's continue this. Um, yeah, my logic in here is totally wrong. I just wrote this in the. Sometimes I just write like something like just for the sake of having it. Okay, so we have to iterate over the values. Um, okay, if then you update that value and then you return. I don't know if return works the same in here as it does in Java. I hope so. That it will just we will know. Let's see. Let's see. Move forward. Okay. Whoop. Now the red. No. Oop, green. Okay, so it's totally it's it's getting out of the metal. It's exiting the metal. It seems like let's see with break. The shoot. Null reference. Oh ships. I think that was so crazy. Uh-huh. Let's get this again. That was like crazy crazy aspect. I was having oh man, I need the I don't see the keyboard. Okay, are we fine? Yeah, but we are not in the editor. I can see through a hole in here on the where is the pointer now? Come on, give me a break. Now I see it. And click, 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 click. Okay, so one, one, one minus one minus one minus then one minus one minus one minus one one minus one one. Come on. Let me see. But it's getting kind of better. Actually, the value that it should have put on the first one is 0. Input value 0. Oh wait, I think I'm not passing the value right. I think I just hard coded um interactive. This is no to input value log add input value. Let's consider this method log input controller add input float value. Yeah, if this is equals a -1, then find the value that we are giving to for target input on plane. Wait, index equals to 0. Input index minus target input, that is our array length, and then okay. Oh yeah, I'm just such an idiot. Yeah, the break has to be when it assigns a value, not otherwise. Oh, my hair is too long for VR already. Okay, let's go. One. Oh, again the one, two, three, four. Right? Something. I did something wrong. Let's just restart this thing. Let's see. I think if I keep this shape, it would be fine. Let's see. Moving forward. How about that? Oh, maybe. Let me see. Two. I'm just going to maximize this and play. Maximize and play. So let's go. Um, one, two, three, four. Zero, zero, one, zero, one, three minus one. Okay, so we didn't got one of the inputs, but it seems that it's working. I'm just going to try again, and I'm going to leave it here. This shape. One, two, three, four. Zero, one, two, three. Like that, this was successful. Like we pulled the entire input that we were looking for. So let's with this. Now that we have this, now let's try to do something else. We're having the let me. I'm going to delete this camera. I am going to activate the lock panel. Lock panel was the name that I was for. Lock panel. Okay, so when I have this working, then I'm going to start thinking on a better way to do this. Okay, so door target is where the door will go when it's open, and then we have these four inputs, and we have the log. Well, this is like slot machine, and this is a log. Um, so add input, great. So at this point, I want to check. Okay, if target input 3 is different from 3, yeah, but this is actually I'm going to remove this this from here, and we are going to add something here, that we're going to move this to the end of the code, and when the last input value is different, like is different from -1, that is like the empty value, then we are going to come and we need to access this controller, the one that rotates everything, random rotations. I think this is a good point to change the name, because that name is like lock code generation controller. Then I don't know how painful this is going to be. Random rotation, random rotation. I'm going to rename this, import. Okay. And how about the code machine log code generation controller? Okay, slots 1 to 3, and then we can do this in different ways, but we're going to delete this. So what we want to do is actually, maybe we should just return log code public void compare code, and then we are going to ask for an array. I change this to ints. Range gives range returns a float, or there's like an, I think it's not compiling there. Yeah, now it's compiling and now it's showing an error that is, oh no, because of this int. Okay, so clear, save. Okay, it looks like it's compiling, and then I want to ask, because on this I'm going to close this script, log input controller, I did float too. Why? Well, I am going to oh, sorry guy. Oh, I'm going to switch that to input, start input. int. Now we might have some problems with the because I defined that as floats. Why? Honestly, why? Because Unity asks you for a lot of floats, and sometimes I just forget that there are other numbers, other data types. Anyway, this should be good. Okay, so now that we have this int value, reset import. Yeah, we're going to pull. We're going to send from here the I just want to check what my chin has lock code generate and door lock has lock input controller, so we have to pass a reference from one to another. So we can actually, this is door lock, this is the slot machine. I have to come with better names for the next time because this is becoming like overcomplicated just because the names. So just to make this simple, let's make a private game object um, we're going to keep this name just to avoid confusion, and then we're going to serialize this field. So with this slot machine, actually we're going to create another private block code generation controller because this is the code that we are to, so, to use log code generation controller, and then when we start we're going to call slot machine dot get component, then it's going to be of the type log code generation controller. So this as long as name equals to this. So now we have access to that code that we created in the other component. And what we are going to do is log code generation controller. When the last input was set, we are going to call compare, no, it was compare, yeah, compare code, and it has to be from parameter, it has to ask you for an array code. Okay. thing is no block code do not contain the block code generation controller public void. Oh, code, and then we should give them or target input. Okay, so it says log generation controller. Log code generation controller. Okay, there are some errors in here. Yeah, that can be why it's not compiling and it's not showing us the other errors. So let's see this. Okay, now it's compiling. So code generation code and have about I am random rotation. Okay, I'm going to close this script. Compare code target input. Okay, so that's the now we are sending our code that we input when we add 4 values, and then when we say compare code we check if well while for code in code index equals to 0 code index minor than code length um code index plus then we add some logic. So we have to put every value, and if any of those code at code index is not equals is not equal to the same position of slots on code index then I'm going to create open door for there is a thing here. Well, I can do this just right now easier, like equals true. as soon as it doesn't find anything, something that is not right, open door is equals false, and then what do we say is okay, so then we're going to do a break, and then at the end we check if open door, then and then we have to add a reference for the private game object, um door, and this is a serialized object. Then we're going to wait for stupid thing. We're going to wait a little so it shows the generation controller. It should be serialized field private door. You ask me for a door prefab here that is going to be this door, and then we're going to call this script that it says open door or target. Oh wait, there's an error here. Code index slots code index. What's the error? Error operator different cannot be applied to per operands of type int and Unity game object. Yeah, but that's what I'm telling you. Code at code index is different from slots. Oh yeah, I am. Selected faces is our array with the code. Slots is just the parameter that receives the prefabs. Okay, save it. Now it should be good. Okay, now let's go with this. Okay, compiling. So now it should be asking in here for the door prefab, and we're just going to add the door. And then we are going to come here to the code, and then this door have another script that is called door controller. So we're going to create another a reference here, private door controller, door controller, and when the component starts, we're going to initialize door controller equals door dot yeah dot door. Something is not compiling. I hate Visual Studio. But machine Oh wait, look, code generation, computer cannot define. Might not be compiling, and that's why you cannot find it, but it's there. Okay, let me try again. It's still not compiling. This one to finish setting this code. Call the controller, and that's it. Now let's see why the hell this thing is compiling. Code generation controller error data type game object does not contain a definition of get component and no extension method component. Okay, I'm going to comment this. Okay, so now you're working, right? We can run the game. Yeah, everything seems that is working fine. No. So let's look code generation controller. That's not the one that we renamed. Yeah. Type non-space lock font found. Are you missing a directive or assembly reference? No fucking idiot, I just changed the name. Private code. This I am just going to start that. I might restart Unity because time to be the champion. Nice. I used to love that thing. The new one does what I didn't like. Like the game, I understand that they try to change like the formula of the game and be like it, it just doesn't work for me. It's just like I don't like it. Okay, so now this thing is compiling. Now um okay. Do start our controller and then door the component does not contain a definition for the component or component. Oh, because I put it on lowercase. It doesn't matter. It's compiling now. It's all that matters. It's all that we want to. Okay, and now if open door, then door dot or door controller dot open door, right? variable record is a curve never used. The fucking method is not a variable. Oh, because it's something. Okay, so that's it. And now we have to delete the code that is opening the door by itself. Okay. Okay, so now let's see this. I am going to increase the distance of this thing so I don't have to move so much. Oh, it should. I don't know. Okay, so there is one thing in here. Look, look, color, color, what okay, look, look, controller. Green, blue, line. Line. So I am going to put here the blue line plus equals this value and equals to an empty string. Fine. So let's say how do the actually let's say that I just want this debug debug when we are done before we reset the input. Let's see. Ooh. One, two, three, four. No reference to compare code of generation. Okay. Of course, because we commented this. Okay, so what I'm going to do just for testing is I'm going to go to my materials, to symbols, and in this, oh, I cannot add how about this one to type alpha source and let's see. Oh, I might have to remember them. No, I know what I'm going to do. To generate I am going to generate the code from 1 to 1. So if I put 4 times 1, the door should be open. Okay. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1. I don't know if I completed input. Well, this stopped working, so I think something happened. Okay, so unassign reference load machine. Oh, because we didn't set the reference from the door to the slot machine. Okay, this should work this time. Let's see. Oh shoot. Something happened. Actually. Okay. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I might not have. Oh yeah, because I say all the values be 1 to 4. No, I don't know what the hell is going on. Yeah. And actually, yeah. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay. I think the problem is I am comparing two different things. Oh no. Oh yeah. From 1. So the numbers are from 1 to 4. Yes. Where is the? I want to see the slot script. Rotate. So this is going to rotate the face. Oh, this might be. Actually, I might have an error in here. I think it should be generating numbers from 0 to 3. And then let's see if this works. What was the output? I need to stop the. I'm just going to pull this out. And I am going to maximize manually. Also, I never put the 4 values, so let's try again. Did this work? Yeah, triple zero. So now I want to see the script that check the values. Log generation controller, rotate slots, compare codes. open door equals true if the one of this position is different. So let's see. Door controller. Oof. Rotation controller. Open door. I want to see the lock input controller. Uh, 1 second. Okay, so I am back, and let's see. We're close. We're close to finish this. We just need to see what is going on here. Where did I put this string to check the value? So in the controller, no, it has to be on the lock input controller. Yeah. So I am going to check this. And I'm going to put not the book line, param line, and I am going to create another code line, and then param line is going to have the code input, and then code line is going to be the one that we have in them. Selected faces. Okay, so now with that, when it's done, I want to debug.log, and I want to put the param line, another string, this is space versus space, and then code line. Okay, so that should give me a glance of what are we comparing when in making the input on the door. Let's see. Okay, let's go inside. One, two, three, four. Did it work? Something is not quite right. Okay, wait. I am just going to spam the click. Okay, that should be enough. So okay, so it's comparing 000 versus 1210. Oh, I'm just well. So now it's comparing from 0 to 3. Now let's create from 0 to 0. So all the values are 0, and we can see if the door opens correctly. 1, 2, 3. Oh fuck, man. Oh yeah, I forgot to bring the window. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see what happened there. Okay, so now we see that it compare 000 versus 00000, and if open door, let's make another debug line log. Open the no, hold the door. Okay, let's try one more time. Start this thing. Let's bring the window here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to spam because I don't know if. Hold the door. Hold the door. So it should be opening. Or at least it's calling this code, and we are not seeing an error. So door controller, open the door, transform position. Door. There could be something on the door. Door. Door target. Door target. There. So what is going on? Let's see. I'm going to check one more time. Where is the? I have the window in here. Here. Okay. So we have this in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it should have execute. Hold the door. Wait. So it showed. Did I delete the code from hold the door? Yes. So transform the position from position to target time speed 5. This doesn't seem that it's moving. Let's just start again with the. Oh wait, I think it's moving. What happened if I want this at the start? No. Oh wait. Yeah, no. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. I know why. I know why. I know why. Because this has to be like right now. I'm going to comment this because this is being called multiple times. I can do this just for the sake of not being just like that's it. Um, if open door, then start doing this. Open door equals to true. Okay, so that's it. Let's try this. Now when we click 4 times the number one, wait, because I don't have the window in my screen. Okay, so we see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the door is open. We can go. Yes. So that's it. Um, I'm glad that this worked perfect. And it's a good progress. Oof. I have to improve a lot that code because it's becoming really hard to maintain, but it's looking good. I think the only thing that I have left to do with this is create um create empty door mechanism, and then we add the door to the target slot machine and the door lock and the lock panel and drop it in here. Just one more time to test that this still works. I'm going to click maximize and play again. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the door is open. Wonderful. So now with that, we just go like that. I save. I create this, and now I go to prefabs, and then I drop my prefab door mechanism in here. So now I go to my main scene. I'm going to save that scene because I was that like my workbench. So then I go to my main scene, and then I go to this part. That is like we have this door with 3 spheres diamond. I'm just going to delete that, and I am going to bring from the prefabs this door mechanism, and let's see what happened. It's all the way over there. Bring it here. Okay, so it's oh shoot. Okay, so let's rotate this 180 degrees on Y. Then we see that the size is like so much more smaller. So we need something like this. I think this is okay. We can go bigger. Okay, and then I'm going to try to put this like okay. Now let's run the main scene and see what happened. Okay, so this is setting this right in here. Um, just for the sake of testing this exactly like that. Um, is the pointer working? It doesn't seem that the pointer is working. Oh wait, because that's not the only change that I made. I add to the controller. Oh yeah, we need to add to this controller the diamond here, and then we need to add it to the to this script. I think that's it. So let's see. So we are again here. Um, I think even if there's some space in here, we cannot go through this wall. It's a little bit like um, in a bad position, and it doesn't seem that it's still working. The where is the diamond? Let me see. Let me remove the maximize and play. And I'm just going to play it. I want to see the scene. Where is the diamond? Okay, the diamond is deactivated. And then let's see. Okay, so I see the diamond getting activated at some point. I'm just going to try to exit without. Oh yes, it won't let me. Oh yeah. So where is the diamond going? I don't see it. Or maybe so small. Yeah, that might be. Let me double focus the diamond. Yes, it's diminuted, diminuted. So I'm going to increase the size. Diamond. Actually, there's something wrong with this. This might not be pointer diamond. Pointer diamond is obsolete. I'm going to delete it. And pointer diamond is the one that I created for this. So we just drop this to the pointer, and then this should be good to go. No. Oh well, I see it around here, but maybe not. Yeah, the pointer seems that is flying around here. Maybe since I added the prefab. Whoa, something went. Oh yes. Bring the screen here. Let's try this. Okay, the door open. What is happening is since we are working with another dimensions than the one that we designed, the pointer now is getting inside the prefab. When I'm going to show you, we have the pointer targeting there. We have this. Yeah, I'm going to move here, and then we see the diamond there, but it's inside the prefab. I'm going to try to. Yeah, it's inside the ball. So what are we going to do? We're going to fix that completely another day. I am just going to. That's on the shooting script, shooting controller. So when we set up the, let's put it on maybe not one. I think I'm going to try to do it here. Is it still running? Is the game still running? No. Whoa. I think the layout is getting crazy. Three bold. Okay. Okay. Yeah, what would be like a good. Okay, let's put here like, on the thing. Okay, OBR. Diamond. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to put it in here. English. And let's see. Okay. Now that the diamond, I might be able to move it like this. No, because it's refreshing every. Oh wait, I can pause it. Yeah, I can pause it. See what would be like a good distance. I can see. And of course, the size is diminished. Like the scene that we are working right now is so much smaller. So we're going to change. What did we say? Y 159. That is my new thing. Let me just click on the script. First of all, the size of the we're going to make bigger. 50. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, it still looks not that small, but it is kind of okay. Um, I'm just going to go by 100, 100. Nice. Yeah, I like when it's tight, when it's like hard to get it. Oh, and I forgot to change on speed the translation. Uh, let's put 10. I am going to set parameters. Put this, and I am trying. Ah, why proceed? Okay, so this is the shooting shooting controller. I am going to set this as right now as a 50 just to see what the hell. Now let's see where is the diamond. Okay, now it's extremely maybe it was like where are you? You thing, close the game, find the thing. Okay, so I think that exaggerated a little bit. Maybe it doesn't have to be like that large values. Maybe at 2, 3, maybe it's fine. Let's see. I might see this. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. So let's go for the maximized version. Let's go for it. Okay. Right now it should be like just clicking 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there you are. Yay! We were able to go through the door to the magic door. This is great. How many frames per second are we having? 90. This is beautiful. I just have to see how long. Um, how many frames is going to give on the other one? Oh man. That's it. My my voice detected all the way there? Yeah, because the microphone is on the headset. I am when I'm doing streams like this, I try to use this as headphones and microphone because the switching between the headset and this thing is crazy. And I need this thing to do some testing. That's it. I'm going to save everything. I am going to update changes to my project. No, wait. I have to do that. But guys, everyone, I have to finish the stream. Taishin, I think you are still here. If not, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying here. I might do another stream tomorrow with the Switch. We will see. Um, this Thursday, no Thursday as normal. There is no streaming because normally I have classes, and this week I will be flying to California. This Friday, there is no stream either. because I'm going to be there Friday. Saturday I normally stream, but there is like I'm going to be there, so maybe until tomorrow I will still be here. Tomorrow is Tuesday, Tuesday and Wednesday. We still have 2 more days, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we will see what we do on those days. I might try to put some more gaming because we've been like so worky. Guys, thanks for watching. Follow and all that shit. Subscribe, whatever. Have a good night. Take care. See you at BlizzCon.
This day have set upon a mighty endeavor. In this hour of great sacrifice,
Duty first.
we shall prevail.
How many casualties?
We executed the mission.
How many?
We had orders! You're a long way from Texas, farm boy.
Pre-order the bundle now.
PlayStation